right, one and all, we are about to find out who the new owner of this absolutely unique beachside location at Ettalong Beach. The views back from Wagstaff to Lion Island as well too. An enviable location, and let's say plenty of opportunity to further capitalise. Registered bidders, opening bidder and offer. The 332 Ocean View Road at Ettalong Beach. Opening bid, registered bidders. 1,200,000, thank you very much. A good, a strong, confident bid, thank you, sir. 1,250, I'll take it away, thank you. 1,250,000, 1,260, there it is. 1,280,000, thank you. 1.3, thank you. At 1.31, 1.31, there it is. So 1.3, 1.31. 1,350, taking it up there to 1,350. 1,360,000, relentless at 1,360,000. 1.4 and taking it up another notch again. 1.41, there it is again. 1.41, first call, second call, 1.41. At 1.41. First time, it's just been nice and peaceful. You went and put a bid in. 1,450,000. 1,450,000, there it is. At 1,450,000. 1,460,000. 1.480, 1.48. I'll take 10 with those shoulders. Biceps, sir, I'm not going to argue with you. 1.49 is 1,490,000. 1.495, I'll take the 5. 1.495. 1.5, there it is. Thank you. He's hurdled the hurdle. 1.5. 1,505 on my left. So we are on the market, we are selling, and we are playing for keeps. 1,515, 1,510, 1,515. So Helen at $1,515,000. Sold to yourself at auction, 1,515,000. I thank our bidders as well. Well done.
Congratulations. What a great job. Not hard to get enthusiastic about this. Congratulations.
Thanks, Ron. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you.